Now we will dance the dip. Let's start with the men's perspective. Take a side step to the left, rotate your body a bit counterclockwise, keep most of your weight on the left leg, left knee is bent, right leg stays on the right side. Bend your left knee more and rotate more, straightening your elbow to lead the lady into the pose. Gentlemen, it's very important that you avoid leaning over the partner. Contrary, you should keep your back straight to create the counterweight. So you want to shift your weight, rotate your body, and if you want to go deeper into the pose, bend your knee more, rotate more, and straighten your elbow. Keep your back straight. Now the dip from the lady's perspective. Take a side step to the right and rotate counterclockwise to turn your left side to the audience. You should have a connection with the partner through your pelvis, and your pelvises should be more or less parallel. While going into the dip, keep your weight on the right leg, bend your right knee, left leg is straight and in front of you, direct your hips forward and up, and tilt your upper body and head backward. And get back to the vertical position, straightening your knee. During this pose, avoid shifting too much of your weight backward and pulling the partner with you. Try to stay within your own balance as much as you can and keep your weight above your leg. Let's count this sequence. 5, 6, 7, 8, 1, 2, 3, 4.